how the orange peel spray pops the balloon. So you already need a balloon that's all filled up with air, and you need orange. Now my dad has peeled the orange, so you need a parent to do this, just like my dad did. And this is the orange peel. I'm not gonna spray on it, so I'm just gonna tell my dad to spray on it. Show you how it's done. So you see these men on the balloon. These are molecules, and when these ladies come that are the orange sprays, something happens. These men want to hold the hands with the ladies. When they rip apart, something happens. It explodes because of the pressure in the balloon. If you enjoyed this experiment, please click the subscribe button down there so you can check out all my videos.